discerning drivers will appreciate the 2011 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, automatic temperature control, front fog lights, and power seats. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.